Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can unarchive chats and conversations in the Telegram application. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on the home screen of my Telegram application on my mobile device. So what you want to do first, guys, is place a conversation of yours into your archive here on Telegram, and this is how you can do that. Let's go with that conversation I've been having with the premium bot for demonstration purposes. So hold your left finger on it for a second, and after that click on these three dots here, or tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select archive to move that conversation to your archive chat. As you can see, Telegram has confirmed the chat has been successfully archived. So to unarchive it, simply access your archive chats by tapping on it, and next select the chat or conversation you would like to archive by holding your left finger on it, and after that tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select unarchive from that drop down menu to move that conversation back to your list of conversations here on Telegram. And that's basically it, guys. You can do the same or repeat the same process with every conversation or chat of yours with your contacts with one tap. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.